Hello everyone, my name is Kwok. Today I will talk about humans can live on in or on Mars. Um so many people will think Mars is a planet that we cannot live in because it don't have oxygen. But I want to say it have, but just a little. For the people, the astronomers, they say is in Mars. We have 0.73% oxygen. Can for one people to breathe and die. Why? Because just only one breath. We get almost more than 0.73 oxygen and then we put out. No more what? No more oxygen. I feel that's bad. But if you want more oxygen, there's one thing. We have Earth, right? When Earth goes, Earth have oxygen. When the Earth dead, when the Earth is almost dead, we will get all the oxygen. Get all the oxygen to the Mars. So the Mars is 0.73%, right? And then if there more about, I would say some oxygen in Earth about 30 to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 30. Okay, I would say it's 34%. Right? So it will more than 0.73. We will have 34.73%. It is hard because in here you don't see that Earth is really small, but Mars is even smaller than Earth. Really, I don't say fake. Mars is smaller than Earth. So the first things I want to say is seek as alternative shelter. So when you have the Earth, kaboom! I would say kaboom means explorer. And here's the astronaut. He's finding where is it? Oh, here we have Jupiter. He finds Mars, Uranus, or Jupiter. Because three of this we can just find it. I want to say you cannot see the Saturn, right? Why? Because Saturn is so far from the Earth. It's about I don't know, but it's really really far. But I will make bigger so you can see it. Here Jupiter, so I will also make bigger. So here, because Jupiter is the biggest, it is bigger than Saturn, but the far is Saturn is smaller than Jupiter. Okay, back to the work. Next is promote science and technology. So do you see this? This is a kind of technology, 4G or 5G. 4G or 5G. Here you see this is a some very, very small technology, but when it goes to 5G, okay, I would say this is 4G. Okay, right? And then I will make bigger. something outside. Okay, I just write for example. Here is I would say this one's 5G. So let's compare. Is this bigger or this is bigger? I will know everyone will say this is bigger. Why? Because I draw it bigger. Not I draw bigger because the technology is on and they are going up. What does going up means? Going up means they are improve and develop. So here I think it is really good. Yeah, because in Mars we have many. Explain your Earth living area. What? Explain your living area. What means? What does that means? Living. The living area. Means the thing that this place that we can live. Example, Earth. I will surely want 100%. 100% can live. But Mars, how many? 50. See? 1 is 100. 1 is 50. But now the 100 here, it comes down to 99. Why? Climate change. The weather hotter. Right? Hotter. Ice. And some people will say fortune teller, they will say in 2050 they will have more than 10 more than about 50 countries in under the sea, including Vietnam. Why? Because Vietnam, here's Vietnam, and this one is I will say this one is Vietnam, okay? And beside with the Vietnam is the Pacific Ocean, right? You let's have a trip to Nha Trang. You see beach, Đà Lạt, no, Phan Thiết. You also can see beach. We say so many beach. Here, next, in this picture, I would say 1. This means just only one Earth, right? This and here is just only one Mars. So if we put it here, what will be equals 150%. Why? Because if we live here, both of here, we can live in here too, or we can live in here. So we can have 150% people can live in both of this. So not one, both. So all two of us, you just only can live 150%, more than a half, more than 100 of half. Next one is global gravity. See this astronaut. Before jump, small, right? Ground, right? After jump, wow, 10 meters. Here, so I will explain you. Imagine this is the ground, okay? The red one is the ground. I would say this is not a Mars ground, a moon. When you go to the moon, you have a ground, right? So when you go there, you jump. So what is this? What is this? That one means the distance between you and the ground, like this. When you jump, your feet here comes to the ground. We will say the distance belong. belong. What did I say belong? Belong to your strength. If you jump high, the distance is high. Jump weak, a little. And here we will say the gravity, because we have the good gravity. Here is we don't have gravity, we jump. And we fly. Why? Because we are in space, not in Earth. I think that's all for today. Goodbye, see you next time, bye bye.